fulfillment capability of Amazon. We have our inventory by Amazon, and then for the other channels where we sell, like Etsy, eBay, Walmart, we use WFS as it's a little different. Walmart, we use Amazon inventory to ship our orders. I don't use it internationally. I used to sell in Europe, we used to sell in Canada and Mexico, and it just creates too much headaches and work for us, so we don't sell internationally at this point. But we definitely using our inventory on Amazon to fulfill our orders from other channels. It's very convenient. It's helping us scale and focus on marketing and all the good things we like about Amazon FBA, just with other channels that we sell on. But as far as experience with international fulfillment, I don't really use those options with the Amazon FBA.
Hey, it's Ria Mithil here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.